Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust the sprinkler head Hunter 4 inches Pro spray with 15 feet nozzle. This sprinkler head is a really common one. It's used a lot and for a good reason. It has a very good radius, it has a very good coverage, and it is affordable. So let me show you how to adjust it. First, let me show you some parts inside this sprinkler head. You can unscrew this cap and take it out. You can also take this part here, just use your nails on a screw or a flat head screwdriver and take it out. We have a spring here, and this is the way it pushes the water out. So when the water pushes from down, it will lift up this part here, and then if you hold it like this, you have access to this nozzle right here. But let me take this off now and show you how to adjust it. In order to adjust the distance of the spray, this sprinkler head will shoot water up to 15 feet of distance, and let me show you how to adjust that. You want to use this screw here to adjust the distance. When you screw it down, when you go to the right, when you tighten it up, you make the distance smaller. So you would go down from 15 feet to 14, 10, 5. Basically you go down as you tie it up. Once you start unloosening this screw, it will bring the distance up, so the distance will go up. Let me show you. So if you turn to the right, this will lower your distance. The distance will go down. If you turn this to the left, the distance will go up, and it's easy like that. This sprinkler head will cover 0 to 360 degrees, meaning it can go all the way around or it can go down basically to 0. So how do you do that? You have few ways to do that. You can do it on the outside while the water is running, and I'm going to show you how to do that if you already have these installed, or you can do it a couple of other ways. You can take this out and take this part out, and with one hand push this spring up, or pull this white part down and then hold it with your fingers of one hand, and then you can use your other hand to turn this nozzle like this. Also, while doing that, you have to use your thumb and this finger here and then turn the upper part. Now this is hard to do like this, because basically what you're doing, you're just guessing. So you're guessing if you're guessing your angle, and you're guessing the direction of to which you're pointing the sprinkler. Another way you can do this is grab a small piece a couple of inches long and put it in like this, and then pull this down. Make sure that this spring does not pop out and shoot you in the eye, and hold it like this, and then pull this ring on top and then screw it down like this, and this will hold this part here for you, and you can work on it. Now that we have that here, it's easier for me to show it to you, and it's easier for us to work on it. So you can hold this bottom part of the nozzle here, and then you twist the upper part. This way you're increasing your angle. If you go all the way down, that means it's closed. So it's very hard to determine the angle like this. You should do it on the outside with your water running, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go outside.